So hello guys, welcome back to Code with Med. So today we are going to solve a problem, right view of a binary tree. Okay, so as I have already created a video on left view of a binary tree, now now I'm creating the video on right view of a binary tree. If you haven't watched the video of a left view of a binary tree, okay, so you can watch it now, or I will include the link in description. Okay, so how will I find the right view of a binary tree? Firstly, let me tell you what is the right view of a binary tree. Let us suppose that here is a person standing and looking at this tree. Then which are the nodes which he will be able to see? Firstly, let me tell you that which are the node are at the same level. Okay, uh, this node is at same level. These two nodes are at same level. These three nodes are at same level. These two nodes are at same level. The last node is at another level. Okay, right? So he will be able to see only this node, this node, this node, this node, and this node. Right? He will be able to see only these nodes. Okay. So, in terms of coding, how we will be able to find? Firstly, we will be using recursion to find these nodes, and in recursion, what we will be doing is that if we are present at any node, if we are present at any node like this, then we will be moving to its right first, rather than going to left. We will be moving to its right first. We will traverse all the subtree. We will traverse all the subtree in this fashion. Okay, this we will of its right, we will solve all the subtree in this fashion. Okay, then we will move into the left subtree. Okay, I mean, this means that if I am at this node, then I will go to the right, its right of the subtree, and I will follow the same fashion. That is, I will go to the right, right until there is no right. Okay, there is no right node present. Then I will move to the left node. Okay, and in same fashion, when I am here, then I traverse back to here, then I will be moving to the left node, that is here. Okay, so this is the traversal technique that I am going to follow in for solving this problem. Firstly, you can observe that that this viewer is able to see only those nodes at the which are present at the first level, that is which is present at the first level from right to left. If we traverse from right to left, you can see that this node is first from right to left in this level, right? This node this node is first in this level from right to left. This node appears first in this level. This node appears first in this level. This node appears first in this level, right? So uh, for marking now for mark I'm now in this for solving this problem through recursion, I have already told you which traversal we will be using. And and now one more important thing that I'm going to tell you is that we will be we will be storing we will be using a max value. We will be using a variable max value, which will store that up to which height we have calculated, or up to which height we have traversed yet. Okay, up to which height, maximum height. Okay, now for example, that when you are here, you have already traversed maximum height of 3. Okay, when I traverse back from this node to this node, then even then our max high value is 3, because we have traversed up till height 3. Okay, then we will continue the recursion and will come here, and we will tell that our max height, that the max value we have already covered is 3. Okay, max value we have already covered is 3. So as soon as we come here, we will say that the max value we have covered is 3. but now our height is 4. Okay, now our height is 4, so we will be incrementing it as 4. Max value that we have covered, we will be incrementing it as 4. We are doing this so as to mark that up to how much level we have already found the right view. Okay, we have already found the right view of the tree, of the binary tree. Okay, so for the approach that we are going to follow is that like we are initially at the root node, and our max value is initially -1 because we haven't covered anything. We haven't covered any height yet. So initially our height is, when we are at root, our height is GHT, height is 1. Yeah, 1. Our height is 1. So here our height is 1. So we say that max height is greater than max value. So we will be updating it to 1, and then we will be printing the value of this node. We will printing the value of this node, right? Then we will go move toward right, and our height will increase to 2. Our height will be 2 now. So we will saying that max value is less than height, so we'll be updating 1 to 2, right? And we will be printing this node 2. Then again we will be moving to the right node, and our height will become 3. Our height will become 3, and the max value will also be updated to 3, right? The max value will also be updated to 3, right? So max value is now 3. Okay, yeah. So max value is 3, so we will be printing this node 2. Then we will traverse back to this node, and we will moving toward this node. Okay, we're moving toward this node. We will say that the height is now 3. Height is now 3. So max value is also 3. So we will not be printing this node. We will not be printing this node. Then we will move toward the right subtree of this node. That is this one. Then our height will be incremented to 4. We will see that max value is less than 4. So we will be updating max value to 4, and we will be printing this node too, right? Then we will traverse back. Okay, and we will reach this node as the our height is 1 here, as the max value is already 4, and the height is now 1. So 1 is not greater than 4, so we'll not be printing this one. We will not be printing this one. Then we'll move here. Our height is now 2, and our max value is 4, so we'll also be not printing this one. Then we'll move to the left node. Yeah, because since the right node is null, so we're moving to the left node, and our height is here. Height here is our 3, right? Okay, so we'll also know we will be not be print we will not be printing this value of this node because our max value is 4. All okay, and sorry. Our height will be 4 here, 2 here, sorry, 3 here, 2 here, and 1 here, right? So our height is now 4. Okay, so we'll be moving toward right node, right subtree of this node. Okay, so our height will be now 5, but now our value of height is greater than 4. Okay, so we'll be updating max value as 5, and we will be printing this node. So you can see that all those nodes in which I have ticked, okay, I have ticked will be printed. So this means that we got the right view of the binary tree. Okay, yes. So how will I solve this problem in terms of coding? Now the coding part arrives. So let's see you there. Now here arrives the coding part. So this is the main function, and here we are creating a variable max level, or you can say max value. Initially max value is 0. Okay, initially max level is 0. That is, we haven't covered any level yet. Okay, we haven't covered any height yet. So we are calling a utility function that is right view util. Okay, and we are passing root, the current level of this node, and the max level that we have covered yet. Okay, so here's the root, here's the level, and here is the max level. We have passed the level through reference. As you can see, we have passed the max level through reference. That is yeah, we have passed the level through reference. And if the value of the root is, that is, if the root is null, then we will simply return, that is, if we are here and we are moving to the right and there is no node at right, then we will simply be traversing back to this node itself. And then, yeah, yeah, in this node itself, if the max level, that is, if the max level is less than level, if the max level is less than level, sorry for this one, okay, sorry for this one, yeah, if the max level is less than level, uh, then we will be printing the value of this node, and we will be updating max level to the level. Okay, so this is nothing here, this is by mistake, I have written it by mistake. Okay, then we will be firstly moving toward, if we are at this node, then we will firstly moving toward right node. Okay, that's why I have called the utility function for the right part of the node first, and then to the left part of the node first. Okay, so this is our coding part. Hope you understood well. Please like the video, please subscribe our channel, and please comment if you are having any doubt, and also tell us the videos that you want to learn. I will surely create a video on that topic. Thank you.